We recently relaunched Learn Platform to give you additional information about our CCSD approved online resources. This Learn Platform website can be found in your CCSD 21 bookmarks folder right here. When you sign in for the first time, you'll choose Educator, answer the questions, and click Go to Learn Platform to get in. After your first time, you'll use Google to sign in moving forward. With Learn Platform, you can search for a tool by using filters such as usage, subject, features, and more. When you click on a resource, you can see information about its approval status, if students can sign in and create accounts, what the website's purpose is, how to get access, where to find it, tutorials, PD links, how often it should be used, what subjects it's best for, if we have a paid subscription, and teachers can even write their own reviews about the resource. Once 3 teachers write a review, you can see the ratings here. You should always check Learn Platform before introducing a new website to students. Read all the information about if students are allowed to make accounts and any restrictions in place. Every entry has a Data Privacy Agreement, or DPA, Exhibit E, and/or SDPC link. And all of that means we have an agreement with the company that it's okay to collect students' personal information and have students sign in. If nothing's linked here, or if it's not compliant, that means students cannot create accounts on the website. It's a good idea to check Learn Platform frequently to stay up to date about information. However, any major changes to Learn Platform will be communicated by our Information Services Department. If a free resource is missing, you can use the Instructional Technology ticket in IIQ to make a request. Otherwise, if you want to request a paid online subscription, you can reach out to your front office staff to submit a tech purchasing request. If you want a live demonstration or ideas about how to integrate tools with the curriculum, you can reach out to Elizabeth Lynch. Any tutorials we've made based on past PD sessions will be linked in Learn Platform as well.